Hi, my name is Susan. Thank you for coming back. I just want to show you what I'm doing to prepare for starting over. This is what I'm doing. So that's my truck camper. That's what I'm going to be traveling in. And I'm getting ready. So I have these two 5-gallon water jugs that I'm going to be filling up. I got rid of a lot of the stuff that was on the shelf. I'm just leaving my plants because I don't know if you can see, the lighting's too dark in here, but I'm going to be giving those plants away. I have one box that I have ready that I'm going to take to the thrift store. I have more plants over here. I got rid of everything on those shelves. Those plants are also going to be given away. That shelving unit and where the TV is on, and probably the sofa, I'm going to be putting it on Facebook Marketplace. I have a treadmill too that I need to put on Marketplace. I have all these cookbooks, and I've already taken at least 4 boxes full of cookbooks to the thrift store. So I need to do another round. This is my power station. It's a Blue Eddy. Uh-oh, you can't see the front. It's a Blue Eddy. And it is an AC 180. It's a 1800 watts. And it has a DC output. And it has AC outputs. It has for USB. And this I use when this is what I'm going to use when I don't have electricity hookups. I've gone camping before, and it's dry camping, and I can power or charge this up using solar panels or electricity, or I can connect it to my DC plug in my truck and charge it up. And what I do is I run a fan all day long or all night long and during the day too. And I can hook up the solar panels during the day so it'll charge up while I'm using the fan. And I can charge my phone and my laptop. And that's basically what I use it for. I also have a generator in the garage that I'm planning on taking. I'll show you that in a little bit. I have another shelf, some more plants. Everything in that shelf is going to be put in a box and taken to the thrift store. This is my bedroom. I have all my packing boxes over there. I'm working all this stuff. This is another shelf that I need to put on Facebook Marketplace. There's some more books I need to get rid of. I have this old desk that I need to put on Marketplace too. I'm working on my closet. Those are the clothes that I'm planning on taking. I already have a lot of clothes packed away. I have some shoes that I want to take with me, which I'm probably going to downsize some more. I have some clean sheets that I'm going to put in the camper. That little stack right there is all stuff that I want to take camping with me. I have my hats, my gloves. I have some other sheets and some fly swatters and just a whole bunch of stuff that I'm going to take with me. And this is another bedroom. So I have this other bed, and I have all the lamps that I need to figure something out with. These are some of the box. I have more cookbooks that I want to save. I have a Mr. Buddy that I have as a backup, but I don't think I'm going to take it with me because my uh, furnace that I have in the truck camper works really well, and summer's coming up, so I don't think I need it. This is some more stuff that I'm going to take to storage that I'm working on. Another shelf. Those are just bags that need to be put in a box. This is all my packing stuff, sheets, and that I can wrap around fragile stuff, and towels and newspapers, and so this is my little house. That's my little bathroom right there. I just have miscellaneous stuff like my scale. I think I need to take that with me because I do plan on making videos on eating better and all that good stuff. And so, oh, I wanted to show you what my backyard looks like. I love this house a lot. It's a 2-bedroom and it has a garage. And that's what my backyard looks like. And let me go to the garage really quick so you can see some other stuff. So I have some more boxes that I already packed. And I have my little camping chairs, my ice chest. I have to get rid of all this plywood. I have to put that dryer in storage. That belongs to my truck camper. This, I forgot what they're called, stands for the truck. I have a cart. So here's my generator. It's a Honda 2000 and it's pretty quiet. I have my 2 gas tanks. I have my air compressor that I'm going to take. I'm taking a lot of stuff, so I need to probably downsize again. There's a lot of stuff I have to take to storage and just put on Facebook Marketplace or someplace, but this is my little truck camper and I'll be giving a tour of it. And so let me show you my backyard. So it's pretty nice. Like I said, that land back there, there's a dirt road, and on the side of or in the back of that road is the BLM land and Bureau of Land Management land. That land belongs to all of us. And so this is my backyard. I love it. It's very quiet and peaceful up here. And I hate to get rid of this place. It's really, really affordable. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-car garage. But yep, this is my backyard. And let me show you my camper again. It is a pop-up camper. It's a Palomino. I have a single cab. It's a Ram 1500 Hemi. And so it is a pop-up. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to find I don't have a lot of storage. I don't have a double cab, so I don't have a lot of room either. So this is the beginning. I'm starting on working on downsizing. So come along with me. I'm starting over, and you can too. So you can start over along with me if you want, We'll learn together on what we need to do. And thank you again for stopping by.